Dogecoin value equivalent to $0.872 a coin. The present exchange cost range $0.84 to $0.872. The earlier day close $0.0862. The change was plus equivalent plus 116%. Opposite rate US to Doge. Dollar to Dogecoin estimate for May 2024. Initially cost at 12,658 coins. Excessive cost 12,658, while low 10,870. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 11,954. The US to Doge gauge toward the month's end 11,628, change for May 8 1%. US to Doge expectation for June 2024. In the first place, cost at 11,628 coins. Exorbitant cost 11,628, while low 9,346. The found the middle value of cost 10,651. The US to Doge gauge toward the month's end 10,000 change for June 14%. Dollar to Dogecoin gauge for July 2024. Before all else cost at 10,000 coins. Excessive cost 10,000, while low 8,475. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 9,392. The US to Doge conjecture toward the month's end 991, change for July 9 1%. US to Doge expectation for August 2024. Before all else cost at 991 coins. Excessive cost 9,709, while low 8,403. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 9,053. The US to Doge estimate toward the month's end 9 by 9, change for August 0.9%. Dollar to Dogecoin estimate for September 2024. First and foremost cost at 9.9 coins. Exorbitant cost 9,346, while low 8,130. The found the middle value of cost 8,795. The US to Doge estimate toward the month's end 8,696, change for September 3.5%. US to Doge expectation for October 2024. At the outset cost at 8,696 coins. Excessive cost 8,696, while low 7,042. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 7,988. The US to Doge conjecture toward the month's end 7,519, change for October 13.5%. Dollar to Dogecoin conjecture for November 2024. At the outset cost at 7,519 coins. Excessive cost 7,937, while low 6,944. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 7,452. The US to Doge gauge toward the month's end 7,407, change for November 1.5%. US to Doge expectation for December 2024. To start with cost at 7,407 coins. Exorbitant cost 7,813, while low 6,757. The found the middle value of cost 7,306. The US to Doge gauge toward the month's end 7,246, change for December 2%. Dollar to Dogecoin gauge for January 2025. Before all else cost at 7,246 coins. Excessive cost 7,576, while low 6,579. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 7,111. The US to Doge figure toward the month's end 7,042, change for January 2.8%. US to Doge expectation for February 2025. Before all else cost at 7,042 coins. Excessive cost 7,463, while low 6,494. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 6,986. The US to Doge figure toward the month's end 6,944, change for February 1.4%. Dollar to Dogecoin figure for Walk 2025. Before all else cost at 6,944 coins. Exorbitant cost 7,194, while low 6,289. The found the middle value of cost 6,785. The US to Doge estimate toward the month's end 6,711, change for spring 3.4%. US to Doge expectation for April 2025. First and foremost cost at 6,711 coins. Exorbitant cost 6,711, while low 5,405. The found the middle value of cost 6,152. The US to Doge estimate toward the month's end 5,780, change for April 13.9%. Dollar to Dogecoin gauge for May 2025. Initially cost at 5,780 coins. Exorbitant cost 5,988, while low 5,181. The found the middle value of cost 5,626. The US to Doge gauge toward the month's end 5,556, change for May 3.9%. US to Doge expectation for June 2025. In the first place cost at 5,556 coins. Exorbitant cost 5,747, while low 5,000. The found the middle value of cost 5,413. The US to Doge gauge toward the month's end 5 feet at 48, change for June 37%. Dollar to Dogecoin conjecture for July 2025. Before all else cost at 5,348 coins. Excessive cost 5,348, while low 4,310. They arrived at the midpoint of cost 4,904. The US to Doge conjecture toward the month's end 4,608, change for July 13.8%. US to Doge expectation for August 2025. Before all else cost at 4,608 coins. Exorbitant cost 4,926, while low 4,292. They found the middle value of cost 4,603. The US to Doge estimate toward the month's end 4,587, change for August 0.5%. Dollar to Dogecoin estimate for September 2025. First and foremost cost at 4,587 coins. Exorbitant cost 5,495, while low 4,587. They found the middle value of cost 4,943. The US to Doge estimate toward the month's end 5,102, change for September 11.2%. US to Doge expectation for October 2025. At the outset cost at 5,102 coins. Excessive cost 5,348, while low 4,651. They arrived at the midpoint of cost 5,019. The US to Doge conjecture toward the month's end 4,975, change for October 2.5%. Dollar to Dogecoin conjecture for November 2025. At the outset cost at 4,975 coins. Exorbitant cost 6,369, while low 4,975. They found the middle value of cost 5,559. The US to Doge gauge toward the month's end 5,917, change for November 18.9%. US to Doge expectation for December 2025. Before all else cost at 5,917 coins. Excessive cost 7,576, while low 5,917. They arrived at the midpoint of cost 6,613. The US to Doge figure toward the month's end 7,042, change for December 19%. Dollar to Dogecoin figure for January 2026. Before all else cost at 7,042 coins. Excessive cost 8,197, while low 7,042. They arrived at the midpoint of cost 7,479. The US to Doge estimate toward the month's end 7,634, change for January 8.4%. US to Doge expectation for February 2026. First and foremost cost at 7,634 coins. Exorbitant cost 7,937, while low 6,944. They found the middle value of cost 7,481. The US to Doge estimate toward the month's end 7,407, change for February 3%. Dollar to Dogecoin estimate for Walk 2026. In the first place cost at 7,407 coins. Exorbitant cost 8,403, while low 7,299. They found the middle value of cost 7,700.